साथ संगत जी प्यार से कहना धन्यकार जी.
Holy Saints, say with love, Dhaninkar ji. Saints, today we all have been gathered here, attending this congregation to know the actual purpose of life, the ultimate truth of life. Saints, when at Samagam, the announcements regarding the Hazur's tour were being made, Dasi was eagerly waiting to hear the name of Punjab also. But Saints, it didn't come. Heart was filled with emotions, but immediately the thought came that I have to remain content to her will. मुझे इसकी रजा में राजी रहना है. But Saints, never thought the voice of heart reaches so quickly that today within the month we all are seeking the blessings of Sadguru Mata Sudiksha Ji Maharaj and Param Pujya Nirankari Rajpita Ji in Punjab, specifically in Firozpur. Thank you Hazur, Pujya Rajpita Ji, for your countless blessings. Saints, we all are the chosen ones because Sadguru has selected us. Saints, now it becomes our responsibility that we should give our 100% contribution to this mission, not only through the words, but through actions also. Saints, if I come across the person on the road who met with an accident and that person needs my help, Saints, I have two options in front of me. First option is I will go near that person and will keep consoling him with my words. Don't worry, you will be all right. Everything will be okay soon. All is well. Saints, will these words work? And we all know that the answer is no. Words are not enough until and unless we take that person to the hospital, which is my second option. Saints, if I take that person to the hospital, there only he will get his correct treatment and he'll be healed soon. My words are not enough to heal that person. Saints, similarly, if we have attained Brahm Gyan, it becomes our responsibility. We must follow the teachings of Sadguru in our daily lives. We have to put our words into actions also. Saints, when Dasi was born, my parents named me Deepti. Saints, I started believing that I am Deepti. And here starts my ignorance. With the passage of time, after my marriage, my in-laws changed my name from Deepti to Mannat. And then I started believing now I am Mannat only. Because people recognize me as Mannat now. Saints, my ignorance continued. Now the question arises, if I am not Deepti, I am not Mannat, then who am I? The awareness of this question was lacking. Saints, only when the enlightened one comes in our life, we come to know about the answer of this question. Once, our love personified Baba Hardev Singh Ji Maharaj said in his discourse, we are not human beings having spiritual experience, but we are spiritual beings having human experience. Saints, we understand that we are not a body, we are souls. After clearing this concept that we are souls, Saints, we need to understand that we have to surrender ourselves fully, completely in the feet of Holy Sadguru. Here starts our journey of self-realization. During this journey, I starts transforming into Thou, and this I merges in this vast Nirankar. Saints, दासी को अब समझ में आया, यही तो विस्तार है, यही तो असीम है. There is no difference between Sadguru and Nirankar. Saints, if we come to know about who am I and what is the purpose of my life, we have to surrender fully heartedly. Saints, last but not the least, few lines in the glory of Sadguru. हर धड़कन कृतज्ञ तुम्हारी, जीवन है कर्जदार तुम्हारा, आती जाती सांसें कह रही सतगुरु आभार तुम्हारा, सतगुरु आभार तुम्हारा. Holy saints, say with love, Dhyankar ji.